This ping pong situation with the leadership of table tennis in Jamaica is getting from worse to worse. I mean, we understand the tussle for leadership with the incumbent Mr. Godfrey Lothian trying to hold on to power, even amidst the cloud of being elected in a null and void election on a faulty voters list. We can understand the challenger, Mr. Andrew Liu, offering alternative vision and leadership. Everything is normal up to that point, but when the thing reached to the level of Mr. Lothian being at one location with what he claims are legitimate delegates at a legitimate special general meeting, getting an overwhelming vote of confidence, while at the same day, at the same time, Mr. Liu and his group of delegates are at a different location, passing a no confidence vote in Mr. Lothian. What can go so? You realize that the Jamaica Table Tennis Association right now has 2 presidents, 2 general secretaries, and 2 set of delegates. This thing is begging for some intervention by the Ministry of Sport. Minister, no sport now play. You must can find the time to sort out this table tennis debacle. Yes. Organize a credible voters list and a credible election and let the chips fall where they may. Yes, right now, a joke this, a double joke this. Yes. This coming like some Donald Trump business. Yes. Insurgency business in the table tennis. Minister, rescue table tennis. Help, Minister.